Something the size of a human head is alive, and it's only one cell. It sounds impossible. Cells are supposed to be microscopic. Yet on the abyssal plains, explorers found blobs and plates sprawling across the seafloor that behave like entire ecosystems. At first glance, they look like rocks or alien sponges. Then a microscope reveals the truth. These are single cells, organized on a monstrous scale. Meet the xenophyophores, nature's rule breakers. They build intricate, sprawling shells made by stitching together grains of sand, shell fragments, and heavy minerals. The result is a porous, lace-like architecture that traps food, shelters tiny animals, and even concentrates rare elements. One solitary cell can host dozens of species, from tiny worms to shrimps, turning an empty muddy plain into a bustling micro-city. How does a single cell do this? It pushes out networks of sticky threads and tubes, knitting sediment into chambers and tunnels. Those threads are living cytoplasm, flowing like a slow river. Food captured on the outer surface is transported inward across meters of protoplasm. It's not a colony. It's one continuous living thing performing tasks we usually associate with whole animals or coral reefs. The surprise keeps coming. These giants act like engineers. Their tests alter currents, capture organic fallout, and create hotspots of biodiversity in a world we once thought barren. They even accumulate heavy crystals, barite, and metal-rich particles, which means they quietly concentrate the ocean's mineral wealth into physical structures. That brings a dangerous twist. The same minerals that make xenophyophores extraordinary also make them targets. Deep-sea mining proposes to scrape the seafloor where these organisms live. Destroy a xenophyophore and you wipe out a micro-city that took decades or centuries to build, along with the hundreds of tiny lives it supports. So these single cells are more than biological oddities. They're ecosystem engineers, mineral vaults, and living archives of the deep. They force us to rethink what complexity means and remind us how fragile the deep ocean really is. If a single cell can create a metropolis on the seafloor, what else are we missing down there? Hit follow to uncover the strangest life on Earth, and share this so others know what we're risking when we scrape the ocean's floor.